Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for Virgos. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Virgo, this reading is for you. If you know a Virgo, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Also, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind, friends. And join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com. Make sure to subscribe, friends, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. One of our subscribers will be selected every month. So subscribe, like and share, friends. I know you're not subscribing, you're not liking. That's very bad, friends. Please do. We need your support to keep the channel running. Otherwise, if you want everyday readings, friends, please subscribe, support, friends. So let's see, Virgos, how your April will be. What's the theme of the month for Virgos? Okay, the Empress. So you are giving birth to new ideas, new dreams, a new you. I do see that you are birthing something new. This is a month of pregnancies for some of you. You are pregnant with new ideas, a childbirth. Some of you could be getting married. Some of you could be meeting the love of your life. So I do see exciting things coming your way, Virgos. Theme of the month of April for Virgos. What's gonna happen for Virgos? Let's see. For Virgos. All right. It's not so many cards. Okay, the King of Cups, the Knight of Cups. Oh my God. So I do see that some sort of an opportunity is coming your way. This is like a very lovey-dovey month for you, Virgos. All sorts of love and all sorts of ideas are coming your way. You are like brimming with ideas. You are brimming with love, attention. I do see an offer of love is coming your way, or some sort of offers, news, messages you have been waiting for. They are coming. Also, I feel like you will be busy working your, boosting your career, your education, your life, planting seeds. You're planting seeds so that your future can be better in the coming years. I see that happening, King of Cups. Wow, let's take a clarifier because I see you're reaching a new maturity. You were not this some sort of a clarity, a maturity, and a progression in your love life or in some area of your life. It can be any area. Clarify the King of Cups. Ten of Wands. Yeah, you are recovering. You're shedding the past. Some of you could be losing weight also in this month. Some of you are letting go of past burdens, past issues, and you are like, okay, I'm done with it. I'm done with the past, and you are opening to your heart, to new life, to a new high in your life. So I see that, Virgos, you are a little high this month, seriously, in a good way. End of challenges, end of difficulties. You ready to open your heart, you ready to experience new things in your life, and wonderful. That's beautiful. And I do see some opportunities coming your way, or you will be going out after your dreams. So you're planting seeds for your future, definitely. And you are this some of you can expect a pregnancy this month, absolutely. Some of you maybe getting two partners or two marriage proposals or something like that, and you have to choose. So yoo-hoo, Virgos. So who is coming for? Oh my God, let's just shuffle. I want to shuffle them at least first. Who is coming for Virgos in love in April? Who is coming for Virgos in love in April? Ooh, Two of Cups, a beautiful relationship, someone very perfect, someone which is beautiful, Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God, a very intense and powerful connection who is coming for Virgos in April. Hanged Man. So I feel there is a situation which is stuck or hanged, like you are in no contact with this person, or you are in separation with this person, or maybe this, I feel like, let's take I feel like this could be a new person coming towards you, someone who is very wonderful at relationships, or they are very charming, they are a wonderful person, they get along very well, And also they are very lucky. You will be meeting them through a stroke of destiny, like through marriage proposals or a dating site or on social media or through common friends. So this could be a new person for 50% of you. For the rest of you, I feel this is a person that was in a stuck situation you were with in, you had things stuck. This connection was stuck since a long, long time, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or longer, 4 months, 3 months, whatever. But it is like this connection was hanging in between. It was going nowhere. Neither you were in contact, neither you were in love with this person, neither you were in a relationship. Something was happening. Maybe you tried, but then things got stuck. Or maybe you guys were at different cities or countries. So somewhere it was like meeting the right person at the wrong time. So I do feel this person is coming back to you in April, because this is now the perfect time for you to meet this person again and be in a loving relationship. Yes, Virgos. What will happen for Virgos? Oh, Seven of Pentacles. So yeah, Virgos, their love life in April. The sun, yes, sunshine is coming. Four of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and the Karma. And look at that, the Emperor, Seven of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the King of Swords, and Three of Cups. Yes, I do feel like this person, your person, is waiting for the right time to make a move towards you. I do feel in the first week of April, around the 7th, or in the first 7 days of April, or in the first 2 weeks of April, this person, your lover, or this new person, is going to make a move towards you. I feel this is a twin flame connection for most of you. There is a lot of love and attraction, mutual attraction. I do feel that this time around things are going to be lucky, second chances, second time lucky, Virgo. So definitely this time the sun will shine in this connection, and this time I feel you both are more ready for this connection. I still feel once they message you, or once you guys are in contact, you will still take this relationship a bit slow. In the second week, things will still be slowly building up. I do see they are checking on you and reading your social media, reading every message, trying to reach out. I also feel you will be trying to message this person in the second week. So there is love, there is communication starting in the second week. I do feel that karma, you guys are destined to be. I do feel that destiny is behind this connection. You may have had a past with this connection, but you can talk and heal it, friends. You can talk and heal it. Definitely you can recover from it, and I feel this is destiny bringing you back together. If something happened in the past, it has to be dealt with now in April, because that is how it is. You have to, second chances. Not everyone gets a second chance, but if you are getting, you need to heal something, right, to get that chance rolling, to get that ball rolling. And I do see like this person sees you are the one for them, the husband, the wife, the ultimate one for them. I do see that mind games are a problem, or communications like trust issues are a problem. You don't trust them, they don't trust you. I'll take a clarifier here, but this person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sag person, Virgos. But I do see, you have to deal with the past issues. I do feel you can overcome the past issues by being friends with each other. I do see that maybe Virgos, you want to be friends with benefit or something like that, or they want that. But I don't think so it's possible, because Two of Cups is like you both want to be in a relationship, and that's exactly what you want to be in, both of you. And I think you should start as friends first, because communication issues are there, but I think you can recover from it in the last week of April. So let's take a Seven of Swords clarify. What's happening? Why is it here? Magician. Yeah, this person is a manifester, is a powerful manifester. You guys are manifesting each other, and they are definitely a magician. They can sweep you off your feet. If she's a woman, she's a witch. So get ready for some voodoo. I keep getting that song also, The Voodoo Woman. It's a beautiful song. Check that out, Virgos. I think you're gonna enjoy that song, The Voodoo Woman. I am the voodoo woman. I got a I got a crow in my hand and an owl in my hand and something like that. It's a beautiful song. Check that out. Very old but lovey-dovey song and a powerful. I think your person is powerful. Let's see some advice and then we're gonna check out your work. Ooh, so second chances, Virgo. Second chances. Let's see the advice. Oh, recognition and reward. So definitely someone was going to recognize you. Someone is going to reward you for your love, your patience. I also feel the hanged man sacrifice. Yes, things are stuck. There is divine timing in this connection at work. Even if you are single, there is divine timing, Virgos, here in your love life. You have to be patient. And when love comes, please say yes. Don't say no, because that's what you need to do. See, success is coming. You're gonna have a major breakthrough, friends. Virgos, this is divine timing and all the past sacrifices are going to pay off in this April. So get ready, get to work. You are going to find the inspiration, second chances, or a new chance for love. Definitely a very, very good love relationship. Let's see how your career will be, Virgos, in April. Oh, light, wonderful. Disruption, tower. Oh, okay, base chakra. Oh my god, the truth and material harvest. So I do feel you are connecting with something wonderful. You know, you're very committed to your work, your education, because you have the Empress. So you're very ambitious. You are looking at your future. I also feel this month you will feel very guided with your, or connected with your soul purpose, or what you need to do in your career, your life path. You know, your career, your education is very, very connected, and some of you could also be connecting with spirituality, with yoga, reiki, healing, crystals, colors, therapy, all those things. You're very, very connected, and this is like an aha moment coming for you in the month of April, friends. So get ready. The tower, yes, I do feel it may happen out of the sudden in your work and career. Like suddenly you are hit with a bolt of lightning, or suddenly you get this insight like, oh my god, I need to do this, I need to be here, this is what I need to do, this is my life purpose. It will be like, oh my god, you are like, I'm shocked, I didn't even knew it. Or someone will some news or message will come your way and you'll be like, OMG, this is what I had been waiting for. It will shock you, it will surprise you that such a big opportunity is coming. Or I'm sorry to say, some of you may lose a job. I'm sorry to say that, but yes, you may end a job, quit a bad habit like smoking, drinking, and you may realize, oh, that was the thing stopping my success. And boom, here you are, connected with light, connected with all your, gifts. And definitely, yes, you're gonna be very honest about yourself, about what you can do or what you can change in this month, what is right for you and what is not right for your work and career or your future. You are like this Empress. You could be starting a new business or a new venture or a new job or maybe a new hobby. I also feel like whatever you have started in the past or whatever you are already working on, that will be upgraded. But some burdens need to go. Like, you don't need to work all day, all night to achieve a lot of money. You can work and sleep, you can have a daily routine, and you're gonna be very surprised that you can do that. Material harvest, yes, money is coming, success is coming, all your needs being taken care of. That's gonna happen for you. Nine of Pentacles, you're gonna earn, you're gonna be, I do see some of you becoming entrepreneurs, some of you starting your own social media work. If you are studying, you will be studying solo, you're gonna be acing at it. So yes, confidence is, you are getting a confidence boost. Base chakra, I do feel, Virgos, you may stop yourself this month in the way, like, you may feel like, you are not ready for this new start, you are not ready for this big venture, you are not ready for this big deal, or you can't go out and, grab this opportunity of public work, or, going out public, starting a business, speaking up. But I think you are ready. Please give yourself credit, Virgos. You are more than ready. So, woohoo. Let's see what else will happen. Oh my god, the cards are flying for you. Okay, I have to pick the cards which flew out. friends, I have picked the cards which jumped out. So here is August. So August is important. It could also be your birth month. So yes, August is important. So something you are, reaping rewards from the past August, or something that you are working on or start now will bring success in August this year. Lily, spiritual love. Ooh, nice. A spiritual relationship. February is also important. So somebody born in February could be an Aquarius. Could be a Leo also in August. Pig, be aware of greed. Yeah, I do feel, oh God, you are a little bit greedy when it comes to career. You want to overwork, you want to overachieve, overcommit. So don't do that, Virgos. You can relax, and you be like this Empress. She works, she knows when to rest, and she attracts abundance. That's what you're gonna do. June, yes, that's important. Star, success is coming. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. Yeah, I do feel you may feel like anxiety a bit this month. Man dealings or relationship with a man. Some of you could be attracting a same-sex relationship. Yes, even if you are not ready, it may happen. Everything is happening these days, friends. Anything can happen. The next we know is E.T. saying hi. Career is very important for you, Sun. Happiness and well-being. I see Sun as success, fame coming your way. Well wishes, family wishes coming true. Ring, commitment, or marriage will take place, either business or romantic. So wonderful. Wedge, someone is trying. Some misunderstandings will clear up this month. Weeping willow, family sorrow. Yeah, I do feel that I do see that money issues are there, but you will recover from it. Love is coming. Spiritual love is coming your way. Quill, get back to the basics. Yes, do things in a very balanced way, friends. Don't try to overachieve also. Control your anger or you'll be sorry. Yeah, I do think like disruption, tower also you had. So something can happen, something can happen. Just be, ooh, second chances, reconciliation. See, I told you, friends, a reconciliation will happen. Let's clarify the lightning. Great worry over nothing. Yeah, I do feel that some past issues which are causing you worry will be resolved in April. So wonderful. Subscribe, Magic Wednesday, Virgos. Like, share and subscribe. And this is Mystic C saying bye-bye.